Today, I'll show you how to create a glitch text reveal animation in CapCut PC. This effect gives your text a futuristic digital distortion, perfect for tech-themed edits, gaming intros, or sci-fi videos. Let's get started. First, go to the Text tab and add a default text to your timeline. From the right side editing panel, choose a font style that fits your project. You can go for a bold, futuristic font to enhance the glitch effect. Next, head over to the Animation tab, click on the In tab, and search for Glitch. This effect makes your text appear with a cool, distorted flicker, just like a digital glitch. Now, drag the duration slider to control how long the effect lasts. A shorter duration creates a quick, snappy glitch, while a longer duration gives it a more extended, dramatic distortion. To make the effect even more dynamic, you can customize how the glitch happens. CapCut allows you to apply the glitch effect by sentence or by word. If you want a chaotic digital breakdown, go with sentence mode. If you prefer a step-by-step reveal, choose word mode, and that's it. You've successfully created a glitch text reveal animation in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks.